How to redeem Spotify gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can use Spotify gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you can go to the Spotify website. For that, open up a browser and then go to spotify.com, and there make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you land on the home page. Here, navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. On the settings, tap on the first option as a view account. Once you get to this page, scroll down a bit and on the payment section, tap an option as redeem. You'll be taken into the next page where you can enter your gift card code. So enter the PIN code which is on the back of your gift card, or you can also enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. Once you have entered your correct code, under that you have to verify that you are not a robot. So tap on the tick mark. And once you have done that, simply tap on continue. And then you will see a confirmation message if the process is successful, and your gift card value will be added to your account and also will be converted into premium time based on the card amount. And that's how you can redeem your gift card online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.